There are two main problems faced by people when establishing an online shopping store. Problem number one, they don't possess the technical skills to build an online store. But this problem can be covered easily by most of the instant e-commerce software available, so it's just a matter of who you pay for the service. On the other hand, there is a group of people who passed through the first problem, but they stumbled upon another, bigger problem, which is traffic. That is problem number two. Building an online store is not a big problem if you've chosen the right platform to start with. However, traffic isn't a problem that can be solved easily with money. Without traffic, it'll be hard for you to see your first sale coming in. Moreover, there are millions of active merchants selling on the internet every day. It will be difficult for you to get noticed by your prospects without a proper approach. If traffic is a struggle for you, you can sit back and relax now, because I've come out with an instant solution called Shopify Traffic. This is a full-fledged training course that teaches you how to utilize social media, such as Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram, to grow organic traffic. Also, I'll walk you through lessons on recruiting affiliates to promote for you, using Shopify apps to generate mobile traffic, optimizing your Shopify store for more sales, and so much more waiting for you inside. Instead of figuring it out on your own, you have an instant solution right in front of you. All you need to do is download my blueprint and apply it to your business. These are proven and effective methods. You should be able to see results in a very short time. Click on the button below to secure your instant access.